In a contractor's world, when equipment breaks down, mechanics need to react fast and accurately. Vizzn has already optimized that process with its dispatch and scheduling tool. However, with the new preventative maintenance feature, that same tool is supercharged to keep your fleet running longer and stronger than ever. Imagine a place where all your repair requests, faulty checklists, and preventative maintenance schedules are collected and electronically organized, all in one place. Well, that's exactly what Vizzn already did, but now you're about to level up your efficiency like never before. Let's get to the action. Your board has collected a request from someone on your team to fix the front tire on AT17, an articulating rock truck located at the Rosemont job site. When you've decided to send a mechanic out to Rosemont to fix AT17, it's probably a good idea to see what else in Rosemont might require repairs. Maybe we can knock off another machine at the same time while the mechanic's out there. But let's drill in more on AT17 to make sure it is just the one issue. Oh, looks like we actually have two issues on AT17. Let's knock them both off at the same time. But don't stop there. Since the mechanic's already heading to Rosemont, let's see what else needs attention. And this is where Vizzn's preventative maintenance takes the spotlight. With just a few clicks, you pull up the preventative maintenance status for every piece of equipment at Rosemont. Perfect. Although AT17 isn't due, I can see that the water truck on the same site is due for a PM3 1000 hour service. And guess what? It's parked right now. Sweet. Let's knock that off while it's out of service. In just seconds, you book both tasks for the same mechanic. Your mechanic is dispatched, complete with site directions and task details. No phone calls, no hassle, just smooth automated scheduling. The PM schedule updates to the new interval as the PMs complete, the machine hours adjust, and the machine's history, reports, and dashboards log it all. Vizzn's preventative maintenance solution works across your entire fleet, not just equipment, but also trucks, trailers, all movable or stationary equipment, and you can even separate your equipment by its various components. You name it, you can set up multiple PMs for each asset, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. And hour readings, mileage, Vizzn has got you covered there too. Data flows from daily equipment checklists, mechanic logs, and fueling records. If your equipment has GPS or your trucks have ELDs, Vizzn taps right into those systems to keep usage up to date and all automatically. Contractors using Vizzn preventative maintenance solution are seeing unprecedented improvements in the accuracy and timeliness of their maintenances, keeping their fleets running longer and stronger than ever before. Take control of your fleet with Vizzn's fleet management solution and make Vizzn's preventative maintenance your competitive advantage.